Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M33. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transport Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID manually, tap Done, Add to Wallet, and it's set. In the end, let's select Gift Card and, similar to Loyalty card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. And that's it. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.